Hi guys, welcome and or welcome back to my channel. I don't know which video I'm going to upload first, but you're going to see me looking exactly like this again. That's because I'm bulk filming today and it is what it is. I don't feel like to change my hairstyle or my top or anything like that. So you guys are gonna see the same get up again in another video, and that's okay. So yes, this is going to be a follow-up video to my big chop video. I did my big chop on Christmas Day. Obviously you guys know what day is Christmas Day, and now I am approaching 1 month post big chop, and this is my update. So I'm going to put a video here of how I was wearing my hair big chopped for the first 2 weeks of my big chop. I was wearing it slicked down, and there is a possibility that I will do no, I'm not going to do a tutorial on that because it's ghetto. Like, it would look like the slick down. This is going to be my review for the slick down style. I actually cut my hair on the motivation that I would have been able to wear my TWA like that for a while, because the first time I big chopped, I didn't know what to do with my hair. So every day I would just moisturize it and throw a headband in, and now I am older. I am grown. No, when I did my first big chop, I was a teenager, but now I'm grown, and that hairstyle no longer suits my needs as a person. So I saw the slip down one and I was like, oh, this looks grown and sexy. I decided that this was going to be my go-to. Now, it's real quick and easy to do. It takes a whole lot of gel, and if your gel is not up to par, then your hair is not going to be up to par. Slick it back, you need to tie it down. If the scarf moves, then you're screwed. So there was a lot of technicalities with that hairstyle, and I did like it. It was really nice from the front, as you guys will see in this picture. But I'm also going to insert a picture over here of how the back looked, and I did not feel comfortable with people viewing me from behind looking like that, so I wasn't really messing with it. Now, like I said, I technically transitioned for 6 months before I big chopped. I did mention in the big chop video that I had a setback because I wasn't sure what I was going to be doing with my hair. So I did a relaxer in September of 2021, but it didn't take all the way. So most of my hair was still natural, and then other parts were texturized. And then I did my big chop in December. So between that texturizer and the big chop in December, I'd say that I technically transitioned for 3 months, and then I chopped my hair. So because of that, I had a good amount of hair on my head still, and I decided that I was going to do a protective styling challenge. So this is the first protective style that I installed. It was just my normal. You guys have been seeing this hairstyle on my channel for months, the rope twists. However, I did them in a rush, and then a week later I contracted COVID and I didn't maintain it, so I had to take that down. So once I took it down, I was just wearing my hair out in its natural state. Like, I did nothing to it. I didn't slick it down, I didn't do anything. I just moisturized it and went about my business. And this was during my quarantine, so I didn't go anywhere. I didn't take any pictures because I was not sure about how I felt wearing my hair in that stage. So I didn't take any pictures. I just took that time to keep it moisturized and keep my scalp healthy. So I have officially decided that I am going to be doing a 3-month protective styling challenge, because I actually do have a plan for my natural hair journey this go around, but I will not be revealing that yet. So if you want to know what that is, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. But anyway, yes, so this is the first style for my protective styling challenge, and these are kinky twists, and I'm going to be giving you guys the specs on this hairstyle in case you guys want to try it as well. So like I said, these are kinky spring twists, and I used 2 packs of Afro kinky hair, and this is the color 4. um I have roughly 3 inches of hair on my head. This style took me 4 hours to do. I watched a movie while I was doing it, 2 movies while I was doing it, so it took me give or take 4 hours to complete. And I have been wearing it now for 2 weeks. The aim is to keep this one in for 6 weeks and then convert it to full locks. And yes, I will be giving you guys the specs for the full locks as well. I'm actually going to show you guys the hair that I use. One moment. Okay, I'm back. So this is the hair that I use. This is the Bijou Realistic Afro Kinky Bulk 20 inches. They have a shorter one that I believe is 10 inches. Um, this hair doesn't look like 20 inches, but it is meant to mimic natural hair, so naturally it shrinks up. And I actually really like this because one of the reasons why my rope twists didn't last, I used regular expressions here to do it. And like I said, I have roughly 3 inches of hair on my head post big chop, and one the color here that I used 1B, color 1B, and my natural hair has a brown tint to it, so it was very obvious where my natural hair started and where the braiding hair began. And I didn't like that, it looked very ghetto, so I had to take it out. So I bought this one in the color 4. I probably should have gotten a color 3 just so my hair would have a better match, but I really like this color, and I'm actually considering buying my natural hair this color, but I'm still on the fence as to whether or not I want to dye my hair and when. So I'm going to, the price is still on it, so this is for my subscribers in Jamaica, so you know how much this hair costs. This is actually a half pack, so I bought 2 packs and I use one entire pack and half of this pack to achieve this style. And the parts are pretty small, so I would say that's good. So you guys will see or have an idea of the length of my hair from the pictures that I put in this video early on. When I take this style, well, I'm not even sure if I'm going to take this style down really, so let's change that. I'm not going to be doing a hair length update every time I take down one of my protective styles. I'll be doing it at the end of the 3 months period, because it is very likely that once I finish this 3 months protective style challenge, I'm going to start another one. But I really just want to, see how much I can get my hair to grow for these 3 months. So yeah, as for hair routine, you guys saw the shampoo and conditioner that I'm going to be using on my journey now in my big chop video. So if you didn't watch my big chop video, you can go ahead and watch it to see the shampoo and conditioner that I have been using. Like I said, I was natural. It wasn't a year ago. I relaxed my hair back in 2020, at the end of 2020. And I basically wore my relaxer for a year before chopping it off. But I have gone back to all of the products that I used previously, on my natural hair journey, because those are just not work for me. I don't think I will be using anything different, but you know, of course, if I do, you guys are gonna know about it. So for my leave-in, I use the Contour Argan Oil leave-in conditioner, and to moisturize and oil grease my scalp, I use the Blue Magic Indian hemp grease to grease my scalp. And for daily scalp massages and hot oil treatments, which yes, I still do when I'm wearing protective styles, I use the protective mega growth oil, and I will be doing more in-depth reviews on those products in a future video. So yes, that's it for my hair update. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment and a like down below if you liked this video. All of the products that I mentioned in this video will be listed down below in my description box with my affiliate code. So yes, if you do choose to purchase these items using those links, I will be getting a small commission. So thank you in advance for the support, and thank you guys so much for watching this video if you stayed till the end. Bye.